Video 172, tile metadata. We're going to take the layer and the tile value and use them together to get an unsigned 32-bit integer. The value for the tile only needs 4 bits. We're going to use the other 28 bits to encode metadata. We're going to error check here, and then if we are on the tile layer, we have no extra information to encode, but we're still going to do the bit packing pretending that we do have some type of metadata. The tile value goes in the most significant 4 bits all the way to the left, and the metadata uses the remaining 28 bits on the right side of our 32-bit integer number. We're going to right shift by 0 to make sure this is interpreted as unsigned logic. It's the exact same logic for the BOM layer. We just changed the name of this variable to EBI for extra BOM information, but we're still bounds checking it the same. And here we're doing this logic all exactly the same. It's just different variable here. For the FATA layer, it's the same deal, except we do actually have some metadata. The dtick, which is the logical frame we're on, the game ticker, we're going to encode that into the metadata section for this U32. We need to make sure that it does not clobber our memory for the tile value, so it needs to be less than this value, which I'm not too worried about. The game has to run for like 3 days straight before that would happen. And then we bit pack everything together, the same way we're doing in those other conditions up there. The tile value is all the way to the left in the most significant 4 bits, and then the rest of the information is over in the bits to the right, and the bits to the right that are 28 bits, right? And because the last 4 bits are for the tile value. We're going to debug, make absolutely sure that we can retrieve the tile value and the ticker value from this unsigned 32-bit integer we're spitting out. And if we're unable to retrieve those values, we are going to crash. It's an error if we are not on any of the 3 layers that are supposed to be selected. And here we output the output U32, what we did previously, footnotes, and what we did in this video. If you want a deeper explanation, you can go to this video. Oops, this video right here. You've been on this playlist. You can get the source code here. You can email me here. This has been video 172. Like and subscribe.